Good day mga Kabayan Techers! This is your The Kabayan Tech. Today we're doing an iPhone 10 screen replacement.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
Let's begin. So things that we need. So we have the phone here. May line po siya at may crack po siya on the screen. The JCV1S, actual screen adhesive, the screen remover, ESD13, black stick, yung tatlo pong 40mm na Y000, screw head, and also the pentalobe. We're going to copy first the True Tone using JCV1S. Since the phone is accessible and the screen is still accessible, I could do the method of copying it without removing the screen. Check nyo lang po yung other links ko po on Troubleshooting Thursday on how to transfer True Tone using JCV1S. Let's take out the security screws of the phone. Okay, we use the screen remover. And then we use the pick to open it up. So, ingat lang po dito. Nandito po ang ating cables. From the top, naka-clip lang po siya. Makakarinig po kayo ng parang clip na natatanggal. Okay? And then, it opens to your right. Next, we're going to remove 5 Y screws. So, here, 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 and here. Remember, kung saan nyo po siya tinanggal, doon nyo rin po siya ibabalik. Dahil po yung mga screws, iba-iba po sila ng length. And kung mali po ang ilalagay ninyo, you're risking damaging the board. We get an ESD13 tweezer, and then we're going to lift yung plate po. Next thing is we're going to remove the battery. And then we're going to remove 3 cables po. And then dito po sa last portion po, lift the connector up first. And then naka-glue po siya dito sa side na to. Okay, ang gawin nyo po, yung flat edge of your black stick, i-hold nyo po yung cable sa baba. Then ito pong cable na ito, we're just going to lift it up. Then we're going to remove the adhesives. Put back the new adhesive. So, ang gagamitin ko pong screen adhesive, ano po siya, 3 layers po siya. So, we took out the blue one. Then, same procedure, corner to corner po. Then, I use a flat edge to line everything up. Then, I remove the second layer. Meron po akong separate video on Troubleshooting Thursday on how to transfer the Face ID module from one screen to the other. So after we transfer the Face ID module, so let's put back the screen. So yung middle portion po muna ang una natin ikakabit. You could use your fingers or the black edge of flat edge of the black stick. And then just to make sure na naka-align po siya properly, we're going to use a flat edge of the black stick para lang malaman natin na nakaupo siya properly. Okay, and then the last part would be the Face ID module cable. Okay, then let's put back the battery and let's just test the screen first before natin tanggalin yung adhesive, screen adhesives. So we adjust brightness, press the brightness, and then we still have the True Tone. Then let's turn off and put back everything. To put the plate cover. So after we put the screws for the metal plate, just double check na wala pong naiipit na cable. Okay, then we remove the screen adhesive here. So kung sumasama pa po yung tape, i-ano nyo lang po siya ng flat edge of the black stick para lang po dumikit ulit. And then when we're going to put it back, sa taas muna po tayo mauuna. I-clip lang po yan. So pag binaba nyo po, it will sit properly onto the actual phone. Okay? And then dito po sa side na to, napaka-important is ito pong cable na to. Make sure na itatak in nyo po siya. Push down nyo po. And then slowly push the screen down. And then you could let go of the flat black stick. And then firmly close the phone. Before we put in the security screws, let's turn it on one more time para lang i-check natin kung meron tayong mga screen anomalies, like yung meron pong mga spots. Kasi normally, pag meron pong spots yung screen niyo, ibig sabihin meron pong tumatama sa ilalim. So how we test is we go to phone and then keypad, or dyan kasi makikita nyo na yan eh. Makikita nyo na kung may mga black white spots po dyan. And also when you go onto settings, makikita nyo kasi white siya, makikita nyo kung meron tayong black spot. Try natin tanggalin yung screen protector, then try to notice if there are any black spots that you are seeing onto the screen. And we're going to put back the security screws. And that's it, mga Kabayan Techers. This is your The Kabayan Tech. Hit subscribe and also like the video and also the notification bell para malaman ninyo kung meron po tayong fresh video out for today. So, thank you very much and have a good day.